Hello everybody, welcome back to the grand finale of your course. I'm sure that you have found this course to be productive, and I welcome you as you graduate to be the data scientist for this century. I will not probably repeat what has been covered. We have taken you through a kind of wonderful journey through all its twists, bends and turns, from descriptive analytics to prescriptive analytics to cognitive analytics to guided machine learning, artificial intelligence, to Internet of Things, to use cases, to big data, to the structured query language, relational database, and myriads of other subtle lanes and bylanes of the wonderful field of data analytics. And I'm sure the journey would have been equally enriching for all of you. So today, as we tiptoe to the summit of the mountain, and as you can see from the top, you get a wonderful view of all that you have conquered and all that has been through as a part of your journey. And what we see now from the peak is an imagery which is altogether different than what we probably have seen when we are standing at the foothills of the mountain. Today we have been able to see what the future of data analytics is going to unfold for you as you join the industry and you start working in this fascinating field of data analytics. Believe me, the future of data analytics, more popularly called as big data analytics, I think that is on the verge of a major transformation process. So many of the up and coming trends of analytics are a result of these transformating technologies which are converging and converging at an exponential rate. The noted data science consulting firm Gartner predicts that by the end of 2024, 75% of the organizations will actually transition away from pilot programs and experiments to fully operationalized big data strategies. This shift will increase the streaming data and analytics infrastructure by an estimated 500%. So now you realize the kind of unfathomable bliss that awaits you as you tiptoe your career into this enriching field of data analytics, and what the promise are there for you as you join the industry. I think there are a lot of surprises, and they're all very positive surprises, very welcoming surprises that awaits you as now you join the industry. Let me give you some of them which I find very interesting. Now, augmented analytics is making business intelligence more accessible. This term, augmented analytics, was again coined by the IT consulting company called Gartner back in 2017. But this is a process of automating insights using natural language processing and machine learning. I think that is one step ahead of what cognitive intelligence or cognitive analytics offers to the possible clients in terms of solutions. So one probable area that you would probably find yourself immersed working in the coming years is in the field of augmented data analytics. There is one more field which is immensely potential, at the same time very powerful, and that's what the future of data analytics is leading to in terms of developing real-time insights, and that is a field of continuous intelligence or CI. So as this information of technology continues to grow exponentially, continuous intelligence or CI is actually the kind of chartbuster in terms of the big data analytics. CI brings real-time analytics into business operations, into processing of your data, into analyzing incoming information against historical patterns, and based on that, as it is done in prescriptive analytics, giving you some optimal solutions. But here I think the consideration is it is going to be a kind of fast food for the industry, as it is going to give you some instantaneous solution right now, here and now. If your client is asking for a solution, CI is probably going to be the end game for it. The other very interesting aspect which you can possibly conjecture in terms of your role as a data scientist or data analyst is a kind of amalgamation between predictive, prescriptive and X analytics. So I'm sure that you must have heard the term X analytics for the first time, and I'm going to define what X analytics is all about. It is again a Gartner generated term where X is a representative of data variables which are both structured as well as unstructured. Like you can consider X as a combination of text data, text analytics, audio analytics, video analytics, and multiple other analytics put together. Now, when you combine these with AI-enabled analytics tools and graphs and data visualization, X analytics stands to play a very critical role, significant role in predicting and planning for future crises and from diseases to natural disasters. So this is already on the rise. And as we ring in 2021 and as we move to 2022, we continue to deal with the aftermath of COVID-19 crisis. I think the next wave of trends for big data analytics is likely to focus on helping companies avoid any such crisis in the future. So we expect today's data analytics platform that would have kind of an intuitive ability to assess risk, to assess economic conditions, climatic trends, and model different responses to these black swan events. As it might grow or might not grow, that's a different question, but it has the capacity to process all different kind of risks and then give you over a several year period what is going to be the unforeseen but a foreseeable future for you. So once again, I think it has been a wonderful journey, and as instructors we are blessed that we will be there with you. We are there with you now, and we will be there with you also in the future. In case you have any need, any requirement, you can always revert back to us. It was a wonderful journey spending so many hours with you, interacting with you, meeting you online. And then as we say goodbye, I wish you all the very best for a very successful career, and I am sure you would find the field of data analytics not only immensely useful, at the same point of time very loving and very affectionate, something like your embracing your family member. So with this, I thank you once again for joining us, and I wish you all the very best both in your professional life as well as your personal life. Stay happy, stay blessed, and goodbye from us, all of us right now, and wish you all the very best in life. Thank you. This is Ranjan Chaudhary signing off on behalf of the Data Analytics team and on behalf of the Commonwealth Media. I wish you a grand success. Thank you.